Good morning students. Welcome to the VPS online class. I hope you all are fit and fine and safe in your home. So students, yesterday I started your chapter 3rd. Chapter name is The Last Coin. Okay. And I explained the one para of this chapter. I hope you all are well understood this para. And student, if you have any doubt about this para and this story, so ask me in your class group. So now today I am going to start your second paragraph. Okay, so listen very carefully, and if you have any doubt, so ask me in your class group. Okay. So students, yesterday I taught you this para. Okay, explain this para. I hope you all are well understood this para. If you have any doubt, so ask me again. Okay. So students, again I remind you this para. Once upon a time, a rich man named Dhani lost 40 gold coins on his way back home from work. He told about this incident to his neighbor Ramu. A little later, when Ramu's son Mohan returned home from school, he told his father that he had found 40 gold coins in a parcel on the road under the big mango tree. He gave the coins to his father. Ramu knew that the big mango tree was just outside Dhani's house. He took the coins to Dhani and told, "My son found these coins near the mango tree outside your house. They must be the coins you lost." Okay. So students, now yesterday I explained this para. Okay. So in this para I already told you that there was a rich man named Dhani who lost 40 gold coins. Okay. And he told about his incident to his neighbor Ramu. After some time, Ramu's son Mohan returned home from school and he told his father that he had found 40 gold coins, okay, under the big mango tree. He gave the coins to his father. Ramu knew that the big mango tree was just outside Dhani's house. Okay. So he took the coins to Dhani and said, "My son found these coins near the mango tree, so they must be the coin you lost." Okay. So let us start our next para. Dhani was a greedy fellow. Okay, Dhani was a greedy fellow. Dhani एक लालची व्यक्ति था. He had an idea. "You cheat!" he screamed at poor Ramu. He had an idea. "You cheat!" he screamed at poor Ramu. "I lost 50 gold coins. Your son must have found 50 coins, but you are hiding 10 from me. Give me those 10 coins back too." क्योंकि धानी एक ग्रीडी फेलो था, सो उसको एक आइडिया आया. ही हैड एन आइडिया. ही सेड दैट ही लॉस्ट 50 गोल्ड coins. Okay. So he said to Ramu that give me those 10 coins back too. वो से 10 coins और दे. Why? Because he lost 50 gold coins. Okay. So Ramu was upset. He told Dhani again and again that he had found only 40 coins. He told Dhani again and again that he had found only 40 coins. But Dhani pretended to be angry and said, "Come, let's go to the judge. He will decide who is right." Okay, Dhani pretended to be angry and said, "Come, let's go to the judge. He will decide who is right." Okay. So students, this is Dhani and this is Ramu. They went to the judge. The judge listened to both the men. He sent for Mohan and asked him how many coins he had found. 40 coins, he said. So the judge turned to Dhani. "How many coins did you lose?" Dhani said 50 coins. Okay. So students, I stop this. Okay. इसको मैं यहीं पे स्टॉप करूँगी. Tomorrow I will continue your next para. Okay. So from this, Ramu knew that the big mango tree. No, Dhani was greedy fellow. यहाँ से 50 said Dhani, "You all are read. Okay. In your home, speak loudly and correct pronunciation." Okay. So if you have any doubt about this para and your previous paragraph, so ask me. Okay. Good day to all of you students.